Hi, my name is David Tozo, and tonight we're going to make a pork ragu rigatoni. So let's get started by cutting the onion. My father was a chef and so was my uncle, so I grew up in a chef household. So now I put a little bit of olive oil into the pan. When they're soft, we're going to take the onions out. As is always the case with Italian cooking, a little bit of garlic doesn't do any harm either. So now I'm going to add the pork meat to the empty pan. Add a little bit of salt and some freshly ground pepper. It's a nice Italian Parsley's, which I was given a couple of years ago. Now a little bit of fennel, I think. So I've added the onion back in, and now a little bit of Pomodoro. The most popular Italian dish is spaghetti, but this ragu makes a nice change. Right, we're going to give it another 20 minutes or so before we do anything more to it. Just let it cook. So while it's cooking, we'll heat up some hot water. I might as well chop up a little bit of parsley. Always a good thing to do when you've got a few spare seconds. You don't have to worry about the stalks. They all go and add to the flavour. Another little chef tip is to add a little bit of stock to the sauce. It never does any harm. The stock really does help moisten the sauce and gives it a little bit more flavour as well. So it's come to the time to add the pasta. Only 10 minutes away from the final results. Remember to give your pasta a stir as well. While the pasta is cooking, it's not a bad idea to actually grate a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So there you have it, pork ragu rigatoni, a simple dish the whole family can enjoy.